Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Shaik Babji. So in this session we are going to learn the usage of how many, the phrase how many usage. Let's see how we can use this phrase. This phrase is used for ask about quantities of things or people. We use how many with countable nouns. I repeat, this phrase how many is used to ask about quantities of things or people. So we use this how many with the countable nouns. Let's see here I have given some sentences, nearly 10 sentences. Let's see how they are. The first sentence is how many mangoes are in the basket? I repeat, how many mangoes are in the basket? Now let's see the second one. How many pages are in this story book? I repeat, how many pages are in this story book? Now let's see the third one. The third sentence is, how many students are coming to the ground? I repeat, how many students are coming to the ground? The fourth one, how many days are left for Sunday? I repeat, how many days are left for Sunday? Now the fifth one, how many cups of flour do you need to prepare? I repeat, how many cups of flour do you need to prepare? And the sixth one, how many kilometers is it to go to the nearest station? I repeat, how many kilometers is it to go to the nearest station? Now let's see the seventh sentence. The seventh one is, how many people are attending the meeting? I repeat, how many people are attending the meeting? Now the eighth one, how many stars are in the sky? I repeat, how many stars are in the sky? The ninth one is, how many hours did you sleep yesterday? I repeat, how many hours did you sleep yesterday? Now let's see the last one and 10th one, which is, how many guests have been invited by you? How many guests have been invited by you? These are the 10 sentences I have given here in this. Now please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more interesting videos, and please like this video and share with your friends. Thank you.